I am the headmaster of MDP Model High School, Pakundia, Kishirganj. Dear learners, I hope you are well. I am also well. In last class, I discussed the Independence Day. Dear learners, I hope you have practiced about the Independence Day. Today, I shall discuss. Today, I shall discuss where jobs around. Unit Unit 9, Lesson 2. Dear learners, open the uh, open the textbook, page number 124. Dear learners, if you read the passage, we will be able to discuss familiar objects. If you read the unit, we will be able to describe familiar objects. If you read the unit or passage, we will be able to participate in debate and discussion. If you read the unit, we will be able to write about jobs and situations. If you read the passage, we will be able to read intensively and extensively. Dear learners, every unit there are some learning outcomes. In this passage, these are the learning outcome of this unit and passage. Dear learners, read the passage attentively. Read the passage attentively. When you read the passage, if you face any problem, please you will ask me to to solve your problem. Please read the passage. Since you have read the passage, certainly you have faced some difficult words. You have found difficult words. Let's discuss the difficult words or vocabulary. Dear learners, vocabulary. Word. Word শব্দের অর্থ হলো অস্বাভাবিক। Conventional, গতানুগতিক, which is not as usual, which is not as usual. Oyster, Chinook, what is oyster? Oyster is oyster, Chinook, which is found in the seashore or sea, ocean, etc. Freelance, শব্দের অর্থ হলো স্বেচ্ছাসেবী, who are freelance, the person who works without money, without salary, are called freelance, যাকে বাংলা বলা হয় স্বেচ্ছাসেবী। ইকুইপ, সুসজ্জিত। ইকুইপ শব্দের অর্থ হলো সুসজ্জিত, which is well furnished. Fragrance, সুগন্ধি। Certainly you have solved the difficult words. If you face any other difficult word, you may ask about your difficult word. Dear learners, in the SSC examination, from the synthesis, there are 7 numbers in multiple MCQ. Now, let's discuss some multiple choice MCQ. Dear learners, what is the opposite meaning of the word wood? অর্থাৎ wood শব্দের বিপরীতার্থক শব্দ কোনটা? Now I have written here 4 probable answer. You have to tell the best answer. One is abnormal, another is subnormal, another is usual, and last is unusual. Now you have to write, you have to tell what is the best answer. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, usual is the best answer. Thank you very much. Let's see another MCQ. What does the word draw mean? What does the word draw mean? I have written here 4 probable answer. You have to write the best answer. Shape, us, brick, building, bring. Can anyone tell the right answer? Yes, the right answer is shape up. The right answer will be shape up. See another MCQ. Number 3. Which of the following professions is different from others? Which of the following professions is different from others? অর্থাৎ নিচে আমি 4টি পেশার নাম লিখেছি। following professions in different from others কোনটা অন্যগুলির চেয়ে ভিন্ন? এখানে 3টা প্রফেশন আছে একই ধরনের, একটা প্রফেশন আছে 3টার থেকে ভিন্ন। Now you have to write the what is different from other. Architecture, teaching, planting, driving. একটা হলো architecture, another is teaching, another is planting and driving. What will be the different from 3 professions? Can you tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be planting. Let's see another MCQ. Number 4. What is the main purpose of author of this text? এই প্যাসেজের লেখকের মূল উদ্দেশ্য কি? What is the main purpose of author of this text? এই প্যাসেজের লেখকের মূল উদ্দেশ্যটা কি? Dear learners, see the 4 probable answers. You have to tell the right answer and best answer. To discourage weird jobs, to encourage weird jobs, to encourage high profession job, to describe unemployment situation. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, the answer is to discourage weird job. অর্থাৎ এখানে লেখকের উদ্দেশ্য হলো অদ্ভুত কাজগুলি সম্বন্ধে কি করা? নিরুৎসাহিত করা। যে সমস্ত কাজে তোমার আমার জীবনে কি আছে? ঝুঁকি আছে, ওই সমস্ত কাজ না করার জন্য লেখকের উদ্দেশ্য। Thank you very much. Let's see the another MCQ. Freelancing allows. Freelancing allows. Here I have written 4 probable answers. You have to write the, you have to tell the best answer. Dependence, freedom, honesty, hard labor. Dependence, নির্ভরশীলতা, freedom, স্বাধীনতা, honesty, সততা, and hard labor, কঠোর শ্রম, কঠোর পরিশ্রম, কঠিন কাজ. Can you tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be freedom. Dear learners, in the SSC examination from the synthesis, there are 5 questions. In every questions, secured 2 numbers. Now I shall discuss some questions from the passage. Do you support unexpected jobs? Why or why not? অর্থাৎ তুমি কি অপ্রত্যাশিত কাজ সমর্থন করো? যদি করো কেন? যদি না করো কেন না? Can anyone tell the answer? Please, to write the answer, you have to read the text. You will write the answer. You will tell the answer depending on the text from the passage. Yes. Do you support unexpected questions? No, I do not support unexpected jobs because these jobs are simply life threatening and very dangerous. অর্থাৎ আমি এই কাজগুলি পছন্দ করি না, কারণ হলো এই কাজগুলি কি খুব জীবনের ঝুঁকি এবং জীবনের জন্য খুব ঝুঁকিপূর্ণ. Thank you very much. Let's see another question. From your reading of the text, suggest a few good jobs. That jobs young people of our country can go for earning their bread. From your reading of the text, অর্থাৎ এই টেক্সট থেকে তুমি পরামর্শ দাও a few jobs, আশ্চর্যজনিত কাজগুলি, that jobs young people, যে কাজগুলি আমাদের দেশের যুবক লোকেরা করে থাকে তাদের জীবিকা অর্জনের জন্য. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, I can suggest some wood jobs from the passage. That woods are such as fishing cultivation and rearing turtles and crocodiles and rabbits, etc. Thank you very much. Let's see another question. Do you know anyone who is doing an wood job? Do you know anyone, তুমি কি কাউকে চিনো who is doing an wood job, যে আশ্চর্যজনিত কাজ করে থাকে? Write in brief. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, I know a person who does wood jobs. He wears mascots. He has to wear mascots. Yeah, he has to wear in different mascots in different occasions and enjoy the visitors, guests, especially the children. The the person's income. অর্থাৎ his income is very low, but he likes his job. Dear learners, no more today. I hope you will practice the lesson more and more in your free time. Thank you very much.